All right, our final question on this exam looks to identify the number of carbons, the number of unique carbons, or in other words, the number of carbon peaks that we would find for a set of molecules. So one of the keys in a lot of these questions is to identify whether we have symmetry in any of these molecules. It's also important that we make sure that we know whether we're looking at carbon versus hydrogen for these types of questions, because the answers to those can be very, very different. But in fact, every one of these molecules has some degree of symmetry in them. This one and so being able to recognize those lines of symmetry will end up making our life a lot easier as we're trying to work through these. Now, I'm going to erase some of those symmetry lines. Well, no, we should be able to work with them. But from here, it just becomes a matter of identifying. Each of our carbons. And just doing it like that. And I mean, each of these is remarkably similar. Again, we're looking for the symmetry and then working our way out to find each of the unique groups. Finally, in this case, because we have symmetry in both directions, we actually end up with a high degree of similarity and a lot of identical groups throughout this molecule.